you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Introduce yourself.
Sorry, ma'am. What is it?
Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Rochelle Kakayurin, ma'am. I am 30 years old. I have 4 children, 1 boy and 3 girls. I worked in Lebanon before for 2 years and 4 months. I have I serve for for person in their family. They have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl. Sevi is 5 years old and Lara is 2 years old. And here in the Philippines, I also work with a family here. They have 2 children also, 5 months and 5 years old, ma'am.
Okay. Why? Why now you decided to apply to Hong Kong?
Because the salary here, ma'am, is not enough for my kids, especially they are going in the higher grade, ma'am, in schooling. That's why I need to earn more money, ma'am, for their future.
Are you afraid of dog?
No, ma'am. I have a dog in Lebanon before, ma'am. I am the one who's feeding it.
Okay then. How many years do you wish to work in Hong Kong?
It depends, ma'am. If my employer wants me to, if they want to hire me again, ma'am, I am willing to work as long as I can, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Are you accept weekday off?
If they will give me day off, ma'am, it's if they will give me day off, ma'am.
You don't mind. Even no Sunday holiday, it's okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's okay, ma'am. I
Okay.
don't mind.
Do you have any question you want to ask us?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. And then you are ready to come to Hong Kong, right?
Yes, ma'am. I am a passport holder, ma'am.
Okay. I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, to ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you.
Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Bye bye.